ॐ आगाये अग्निं हिन्दते सृणन्ति बर्हिरानुषक् येषामिन्द्रो युवा सखा स्वाहा. Namaste to all. It's a very, very beautiful Samveda mantra. Samveda mantra number 133. If you see the bhumika of this mantra, Paramatma says, Paramatma की मित्रता और अग्नि प्रदीप्त करने का क्या लाभ है? What is the reason we must have friendship with Paramatma? When we have friendship with Paramatma, what is the benefit we will get? And also when we do अग्निहोत्रा, अग्नि प्रदीप करने का लाभ, कौन सी अग्नि को प्रदीप करना है ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये जो the Agni what you see here, the Homakunda, this is also one of the Agni, but other than this Agni there are 4 other Agnis which is mentioned in this mantra. येघ अग्निम, जो लोग निश्चय ही अग्निम, यज्ञ की अग्नि, उत्साह की अग्नि, संकल्प की अग्नि, महत्वाकांक्षा की अग्नि और आत्मा की अग्नि. 5 types of Agni mentioned in this mantra. So whoever knows these 5 types of Agni and whoever tries very hard to प्रदीप्त करने का, ऐसा आ इंदते, अभिमुख होकर प्रदीप्त करते हैं, ये 5 अग्नि को जो भी लोग प्रदीप्त करते हैं निश्चय से, निश्चय करके उत्साह से. See, we must understand that we must never get disappointment and depression in our life, come what may the situation. Learn from the great Mahapurush, learn from Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati, learn from other Rishi Muni Tapasvis, where they never went into depression, come what may be the situation. Yesterday my Acharya was mentioning in one of the pravachan, Acharya was telling that जिंदगी भर मेरे को इतना परेशानियां आती रही, इतने परेशानियां, अनगिनत परेशानियां आने के बावजूद मैं कभी भी परेशान नहीं हुआ है, मैं कभी भी परेशान नहीं हुआ हूँ. ये मेरे आचार्य जी का वचन है. तो सिमिलरली उत्साह की अग्नि, क्यों? क्योंकि मैं आचार्य टोल्ड, क्योंकि मैं परमात्मा से प्रेम करता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे ईश्वर से प्रेम है, क्योंकि मुझे तपस्या से प्रेम है, क्योंकि मुझे विद्या से, वेद से, आत्मा से प्रेम है, इसलिए कोई भी परेशानियां मुझे परेशान नहीं कर पाई. तो सेम थिंग, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग परेशानी इन योर लाइफ, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग डिप्रेशन इन योर लाइफ, परमात्मा से इस उत्साह की अग्नि जलाओ, संकल्प की अग्नि जलाओ, महत्वाकांक्षा की अग्नि जलाओ, आत्मा की अग्नि जलाओ. और कैसा जलाओ? निश्चय करके अभिमुख होकर प्रदीप्त करते हैं. वी हैव टू टर्न आवर चित्त टुवर्ड्स दिस, we have to turn our chitta towards yajna ki agni. Many people, most of us, we are unable to control our indriya, we are unable to manage our life, we are unable to control our relationships with others, we are unable to manage the husband wife relationship, we are unable to manage the son daughter relationship, father and son, mother and son, father and daughter, mother and daughter relationship we are unable to manage, we are unable to manage office relationship. So Paramatma says, because आपके अंदर अग्नि नहीं है. So when we have Agni inside us, which Agni? Yajna ki Agni. See, Yajna ki Agni also is not only outside, Yajna ki Agni also is internal. Utsaha ki Agni is internal. Sankalp ki Agni is internal. Mahatvakanksha ki Agni is internal. Means महत्वाकांक्षा की अग्नि means what is your ultimate desire, what is your ultimate aim in your life. And also आत्मा की अग्नि भी अंदर है. Everything is internal here. External Agni is just an indication of internal Agni. The Agni which is burning in Havan Kund is just an indication only, but the real Agni has to be internal. If we have निश्चय करके यज्ञ की अग्नि, उत्साह की अग्नि, संकल्प की अग्नि, महत्वाकांक्षा की अग्नि और आत्मा की अग्नि को आ इंदते, अभिमुख होकर प्रदीप्त करते हैं, येषाम युवा, येषाम जिन लोगों का, सदा युवा, युवा मीन्स परमात्मा नेवर गेट्स ओल्ड, सदा युवा, अर्थात सदा सशक्त रहने वाला इंद्र है। परम पराक्रमशाली परमात्मा सहायक हो जाता, सखा हो जाता है। वे लोग आनुषक, सी Paramatma also will become our Sakha only when we have this Agni inside us. Paramatma will not be friend with us, or we cannot become friendship to Paramatma when we are having opposite guna of Paramatma. If I have to become your friend, I cannot be opposite to you. I have to have some qualities which is matching with you. So उत्साह की अग्नि, संकल्प की अग्नि, परमात्मा भी अपने संकल्प से नहीं हिलता। Paramatma also will never leave his Utsaha. Paramatma also will never leave his Atma Agni. So when we become like Paramatma, when we try to at least adopt such qualities, then Paramatma हमारे सखा बनकर पराक्रमशाली परमात्मा सहायक हो जाता है। और आनुषक बर्हिः स्त्रीणन्ति, वे लोग, once we become Sakha with Paramatma, वे लोग क्रमशः कुशा आदि यज्ञ साधनों और यज्ञ को फैलाते हैं, अर्थात निरंतर यज्ञ कर्मों में संलग्न रहते हैं। निरंतर यज्ञ कर्म means when we do yajna karma, we are focused on doing good to others. You can do good to others only when you are good yourself. Otherwise, you cannot really do good to others. You can you can do with formality. You can try to do good to others as a formality, but when you are yourself an Agni, you can light Agni in others' life also. When we do not have that Agni within us, we can never become Paropakari. If you see any Paropakari, Rishi Muni Tapasvis, उनके लाइफ में अग्नि थी, and they were able to light Agni on others' life. So स्त्रीणन्ति बर्हिः आनुषक, क्रमशः, पहले क्रमशः मतलब after this, पहले we must focus on internal Agni, and then what happened, that internal Agni will also help the other people, परोपकारी हो जाएंगे। So इसमें देखिए भावार्थ में, जिनके हृदय में अग्नि जा ज्वलयमान नहीं है, वे लोग आलसी जीवन बिताते हैं। वे लोग आलसी जीवन, like some people, I was talking to somebody a couple of days back, so they were telling, I don't want to name whether he or she, they were telling me, I am unable to do any activity. I have to do so much of work, but I am unable to do that activity because of something is pulling me internally. Some issue, anxiety, depression is there. So वो अग्नि जा ज्वलयमान नहीं है। अगर हमारे अंदर अग्नि नहीं है, see, we must try to ourselves ignite this Agni. And where is, I just finished a Homa. You see here, I ignited the Agni with the help of matchbox. So who is the matchbox in our life? Where is my match? Here it is. So I used the matchbox, and then with the matchbox, I did, matchbox is there, then with that I light the Agni in the Havan Kund. So we must try to ignite the Agni, but who is the matchbox for us? That is Acharya. The matchbox for us is our Shraddha. Our Shraddha on Vedas, our Shraddha on Acharya, our Shraddha on Paramatma. When we have Shraddha ki Agni, everything else can be managed. But we need a matchbox in our life. That matchbox is our Acharya. That matchbox can be Maharishi Dayananda. You do not have an Acharya. Some people do not have a real Acharya in their life. For them, it can be other Rishi Munis. They are reading Sankhya Darshan. And when they read Sankhya Darshan, the Agni. When you read Sankhya Darshan, for example, the first chapter only, you will understand, so many knowledge from the first chapter only. So slowly that Agni will come up. But somebody is needed to sustain that Agni. And my Acharya always says, Acharya ke bina gyan nahi hota. Because that Acharya is a Tattva Gyani. That Acharya is a realized soul. And I was reading Swami Satyapati ji's article. He was mentioning that Yoga Vidya is so Sukshma, you really need an Acharya to explain you and take you to that path. सो अगर हमारे अंदर जाज्वल्यमान नहीं है, हम लोग आलसी जीवन बिताएंगे। वे तो भावार्थ में लिखा है, वे लोग जो आलसी है, वे तो स्वार्थ साधन में भी मंद होते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर अनेबल टू डू आवर एक्टिविटी। इंटरनली force is not coming. We are not really alasi, but we are unable to do it because we lack the agni. So see, the भूमिका is very clear. अग्नि प्रदीप्त करने का लाभ क्या है? ये कौन सी अग्नि है? सारे अग्नि हैं। सो वे तो स्वार्थ साधन में भी मंद होते हैं, फिर परार्थ साधन रूप यज्ञ कर्म करने का तो कहना ही क्या है? When we are unable to satisfy ourselves, we cannot satisfy others. That person, if our tank is full, we can give water to somebody else. If my tank is empty, how I can give water to somebody else? That's the same thing. वे लोग स्वार्थ साधन में भी मंद होते हैं, फिर परार्थ साधन रूप यज्ञ कर्म करने का तो कहना ही क्या है? परंतु जो नित्य अग्निहोत्र की अग्नि को और उससे प्रेरणा प्राप्त कर उत्साह की अग्नि, संकल्प और आकांक्षा की अग्नि को तथा आत्मरूप अग्नि को प्रज्वलित करते हैं, और जो सदा युवक दूसरों की दुख दरिद्रता को दूर करने वाले शत्रु विजयी सृष्टि यज्ञकर्ता शतक्रतु इंद्र परमेश्वर को सखा बना लेते हैं, वे सदा ही मन में स्फूर्ति। So when we have anxiety, depression, unable to do the work, the only hand what we have is number one Acharya, number one Paramatma, number two Acharya, and of course in number three, people who are following Acharya and Paramatma also can help you to some extent. Those people who are already following Vedas, if you have friendship with them, they can also try to help you, but we must try to also help ourselves, otherwise ये अग्नि नहीं जल सकती है। सो शतक्रतु इंद्र परमेश्वर सृष्टिकर्ता परमात्मा, शतक्रतु असंख्य कर्म करने वाला परमात्मा को सखा बना लेते हैं। वे सदा ही मन में स्फूर्ति, कर्मण्यता और उदारता को धारण करते हुए निरंतर परोपकार के कामों में लगे रहते हैं। Such an important वेद मंत्र where परमात्मा says, मुझसे मित्रता करोगे तो क्या लाभ होगा? ऐसे अग्नि जलाने से क्या लाभ? दोनों एक ही है। परमात्मा से मित्रता और अग्नि जलाना सेम। परमात्मा से मित्रता होगा, then we can do अग्निहोत्रा. Otherwise the अग्निहोत्रा without the मित्रता of Paramatma is a formality. Just fire is burning, I am chanting Gayatri mantra, Om Bhurbhasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargodevasya Dhimati Prachodayat Swaha, Om Bhurbhasva Tatsavitur, like 10 times I chant Gayatri mantra, Agni is burning, I am putting samagri, ghee, ahuti, and then I am walking off, that's what. But Paramatma से अगर प्रेम है तो मंत्र के भावार्थ हम जानेंगे। Paramatma says Bhargodevasya Dhimahi, I am Shuddha, I am Chetan, you also become Shuddha, you also become Chetan, means you also become conscious. Today you are living unconsciously. Today you are doing with formality. Today you are doing every activity with not with chetanata. But I am always chetan. So Bhargo Devasya Dhimi, chetanata धारण करो, शुद्धता धारण करो, अग्नि जलाओ, then I will become your friend. And परमात्मा अगर friend बन गया, मन में स्फूर्ति, कर्मण्यता और उदारता. कर्मण्यता, see in the Yoga Sutra, the sutra comes. Styanam akarmanyata. Styanam is one of the obstacles in worship of Paramatma. Styanam means akarmanyata. But Paramatma here says, with my bhakti you can become karmanyata. You can do your karma properly with the spurti, with your mental activation, with your उत्साह से, urchaha से. Then उदारता को धारण करते हुए निरंतर परोपकार के कामों में लगे रहते हैं. परोपकार के काम बहुत ही important है. When we become paropkari vyakti, we will slowly come out of also bad karmas. When we become paropkari from the Vedic point of view, please understand, there are paropkari today also. They do paropkari kam for getting votes. That is not paropkari. We have to become paropkari from the view of Paramatma, from the view of Rishi Muni Acharyas. Example, see Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati's life. He was 100% paropkari, 100%. Every time ready to give the knowledge to others, every time ready to help others, every time ready to solve other problems. Like that we should become paropkari. सो उसके लिए अग्नि जलाना होगा. ऐसा अग्नि जलाने से Paramatma says. And see, one more point I want to tell. There are some people who are living outside in foreign countries. They are unable to do Agnihotra daily because of, smoke detector is there, and it is very, very difficult to do Agnihotra outside India. In some countries it's possible, but many countries, European countries, very difficult. USA, very difficult. So if you are unable to do this, प्रदीप्त, ये अग्नि अगर प्रदीप्त नहीं होते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. संकल्प की अग्नि से वी कैन डू, उत्साह की अग्नि और यज्ञ की अग्नि. पुरुषोक्ता से आत्मयज्ञ करो. बाहर का यज्ञ अगर नहीं कर सकता है, आत्मयज्ञ मतलब मौनिक हवन. वी मस्ट ट्राई टू चैंट लाइक सिट. नाउ आई एम सिटिंग इन द आसन, आई एम in front of Agni Kund, Homa Kund. Similarly, without Homa Kund, sit and then chant the mantras. Chant the mantras with the bhavarth, chant the mantras with the artha, and then dedicate your 20 minutes as if you are doing real Agnihotra without the Havan Kund. Then when you come back to India, you will come back to India once in a year for some vacation, do Agnihotra, and when you retire in your company, when you have earned enough money, you have earned crores of money, then you know, okay, this is enough for me, now everything is settled. Come back to our country, no stoppage of Agnihotra, you can do Agnihotra aram se. So then, even if you are unable to do external Agnihotra, please do internal Agnihotra. This is what I want to tell you. And my Acharya always says, my Acharya told that if you are unable to do Agnihotra, you are in travel, you are going foreign trips, it's okay, then do internal Agnihotra. Parama Chetan रहना पड़ेगा. And वहाँ पर भी, even if you are living in foreign country, परोपकार का काम कर सकते हैं हम, किसी को मदद कर सकते हैं, किसी को ज्ञान दे सकते हैं. But for helping others, we must also help ourselves first. That is the message. I hope you understood. This is Samaveda Purvarchika Yendram Kandam 133 मंत्र है. सबको नमस्ते. ओम ओम ओम.